Today I want to show you guys what I did to make some lights for my milling machine. I kind of copied Adam Savage's workbench lights and kind of gave them my own little twist. And I don't know about you, but if you've searched for like milling machine lights, you're talking like $300 to $500 for one light. And I don't know about you, but there's a lot of other stuff I can buy for that kind of thing. So here's a little hack that I kind of came up with going off of Adam Savage's light. So here you go. So I came up with these two lights, having one on both sides to kind of get rid of shadows. And they're adjustable, move really easy. And the biggest thing I liked about it is, so like you're sitting there and say I'm at the other end of the table, I can sit there and really tone down these lights. So it's one of those things that if like I'm staring at it and I don't want to stare at it, I can do that, or I can actually change the hue of it, as you can kind of see. It makes it really, really nice. And they're really big. They cover a good area. And like I said, you can kind of move them wherever, you know, bring them back, forward, up, down. And it really works really well for the shadows. And in 2001, when I did these lights, I think I did them for right around $60, $60 to $70 a light. So compared to what's really out there, that's pretty cheap. And all it is a microphone boom, a mini ball head, and these Viltrox lights. And I probably butchered that up. The clamps just actually, I cut the one side off and actually drilled a hole and just put it through one of my bolts there. And it still has the screw there to kind of give it some pressure so it doesn't just fall everywhere. The power adapters are just an 8-foot long power adapter, 12-volt power adapter with a barrel plug. So super simple. Just a few things off of Amazon and you're ready to go. I mean, now the only other thing that I was thinking about possibly adding to these lights was maybe a screen protector, but I have not noticed any hot chips or anything sticking to them, so it's one of those things that I just never got to. And I don't really think now, being that I've had these a couple years, that I really need to. But super bright, super cheap. As you can see, it lights it up really, really nice. And I love the adjustability. That being like one of the second best features of it being really bright is just the fact that, like, if I'm standing over here and the light's shining there, I can actually turn it down so I'm not staring at it all the time. Hey guys, if you like the lights, I'm going to put some links in the description of where to find them on Amazon. If you like the videos, like and subscribe. And until the next time, guys, stop waiting and start creating.